Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. See the question. Shall we do this question?
Children, let's check the question. What's the question? Write a Java program to print the following patterns. Here, two patterns are there. Both are in triangle shape. See the numbers here. Which numbers are representing with a triangle pattern? First one, in the first question, 1. In the first row we have 1. The second row 2, 3. The third row 4, 5, 6. In the fourth row 7, 8, 9, 10. How can you do this one? Let's check. Okay. Then next one, 1. In the next row 1 2 in the next row 1 2 3 sorry 1 2 1 in the last one 1 2 1 2 the same elements, only two elements 1 and 2, but it is different from each column. Okay children, shall we do the first question? What is the first question? Do you remember? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. This is in a rectangle shape. These are represents the row numbers. That means here I represents these number with a I. Okay, these rows with I. In the first row, second row I is equal to 2. The third row is equal to 3. The fourth row is equal to 4. And the column represents with the help of J. J equal to 3 here, J equal to 4. Okay, like this way we can represent. See, I is represent the rows and J is represents the columns. Then shall we do? But one difference is there. What difference is there? Sorry. What is that? Here in the first column we have 1. The second row, in the first row we have 1. The second row we have 2, 3. The third row 4, 5, 6. Each time it is varying. Because of that, to represent the elements, I will give one variable here. See, like this way, int a. For that purpose, I am taking a. Okay, a is starting value of a is equal to 1. Okay. Then after that, to create the triangle pattern we need two loops. What are they? First one, for int to represent the row loop. I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. This is simple. And to represent the columns, different columns, we need one more loop. For j is equal to 1, int j is equal to 1, int j equal to 1. J less than or equal to I, because this is a triangle shape. Okay. Then J plus plus. We all are familiar with this one because the row number is equal to the column numbers. That means for the first row we have one column. For the second row we have two columns. For the third row we have three columns. For the fourth row we have four columns. Okay. Because of the limit we can give like this. Okay. Then which value will be printed? You can print the value like this. System dot out dot print. Shall I give a here? Okay, what's the value of a? First time the value of a is equal to 1. Then 1 you will get. But see, after finishing this one or after finishing this column, your value will be incremented. Then which value you need? You need a plus 1. That means 1 plus 1, 2. Next time 3. Next time 4. Then a is varying. How can you increase the value of a? It's very simple. We can give like this. A plus plus. See, after each time, when the column is changing or when the row is changing, the value of a will be varying. That means next time the value of a is equal to 2. Next time 3. Next time 4. Okay. How many rows, how many columns are there? That much a will be incremented. Okay. Then just close this one. Then one more thing you need, for each row we need one system dot out dot println statement. Okay. To get a new line for each row. This, then we have to close these two brackets. What are they? First we close this one. Then for the function and the class. Simple. We know how to create a triangle shape. One more thing is important because we need one variable to represent the elements. What is that? 1. And after each column it is varying. When I have given like this a plus plus. That means the first column we will get 1. The next, if j is incremented, that means in the first case we have only one column. After the value of I is equal to 2. That time the value of a is equal to 2. Okay. Next we have two columns here. Then a plus plus means we will get again 3. Again when you go to next line, the value of a is equal to 4. Then 5 you will get 6. That because a is varying each time. In each column the value of a is varying. Like that way we can give. Okay. Then if the pattern is the difference between the pattern like this, how can you do? Just check 3, 5. Like this way if it is varying, how can you do this one? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, it is 17 and up to 19. How can you do this pattern? Do you know? It's very simple. How can you do? Okay. Give a slight change this one. Okay. How can you do? A is equal to a plus 2. Simply you can do. Can you do? Okay. If you do like this one, you can change the pattern. Okay. But in our question, we have to give a plus plus. Then you will get a which value? 2. For the examination, if they ask like this question, you can do change the values. Okay. Then you will get the answer like this. You just change the value like this. If you change it in the program, if you give one slight change, you will get the answer. You can change different patterns. I think you have understood this one. Okay, this n represents the number of rows and I represents the row number and j represent the column number and a represent the elements in that pattern. I think you have understood this one. It's very simple. This is easy. You can create like this program, like this pattern using this program. Okay, do you like this one? Okay. Shall we check the next question? What's the next question? 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that means in the first columns 1, but in the second column 2, and if it is the third column, it is representing 1. Again, if it is the fourth column, representing 2. What's the meaning of this one? Do you get any idea? Okay, how can you do this one? See, it is according to the column number. If the column number is an odd number, it represents 1. If the column number is an even number, it represents 2. Again, if it is an odd number, the columns are representing 1. If it is an even number, it representing 2. That means what? If the column number is an odd number, we can print 1. If it is an even number, we just print 2. This is the logic of this. We know how to print the triangle shape. We all are familiar with how to print the triangle shape. But again, we need to print if the column number is an even number or odd number. How can you check this is an even number or odd number? Do you know? I think you all know. If it is an odd number, when you divide that number with the 2, you will get a 1 as a reminder. If it is an even number, if you divide that number with the 2, you will get a remainder as 0. Then how can you find this remainder using which operator? You all are familiar with the one operator. What is that? To get the remainder, we are using in Java, we are using this operator. Okay. If j is representing the column number, if you mod this j with the 2, if you will get 1, then we can print that means it represents the odd number. Then we can print simply 1. If it represents, if you get 0 as a reminder, then we can print 2 in that place. Okay. This is the logic of this one. Okay, I think you all familiar with this one. Shall we do the program? Simply we can do. Okay. How can you start? With the help of for loop. First we represents this I is equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay. Again, to represent the column number, we are using j as a variable, j for loop. Starting from int, we have to give here also int j is equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, j plus plus. Okay. Then one condition we need to check first. We know if j is equal to 1, we have to print 1. If j is equal to 2, we have to print 2 like this way. Then I will give one more condition here, j mod 2 double equal, if it is 1, what you will print? System dot out dot print. Which value you have to print? 1. Okay. Else means what? If it is 0, it's the just opposite of this condition. Else means if we are using else to take the false condition of this one. False condition means you will get a, when you are dividing one number with 2, you will get a 1 or 0 as a reminder. Okay. Then else condition means j mod 2 equal to 0. Then we can give like this. If the condition is false, then we can use this else part. Okay. Then what you will print this system dot out dot printer? 2. That place we have to print it 2. That means if the condition is false, we will go to this condition. That means j mod 2 equal to 0. We can print the value as 2 here. See, not even numbers are representing 2, not 1. Okay. Then after finishing each row, we have to go to next line. Because of that, we are using this system dot out dot println statement. How does it will work? Do you know? We can see. Okay. The first value of I is equal to 1. In that case, j mod 2. Then 1 mod 2, you will get 1. Then it will print 1. After finishing this first row, it will go to the next block. That means the value of I is equal to 2 here. I will be incremented. But j is starting from 1. That means 2, 1. Then 2. That means now the value of j is equal to 1. 1 mod 2. We will get again 1. Then it will be printed 1 here. Again j will be incremented. 2 mod 2 equal to 0. You will get it. Then it will come to this condition. Then it will print 2 here. Okay. Again, then now in the second row, the limit of j is equal to 2. Then it will finish the. Again go to next line. Now the value of I is equal to 3. But j is starting from 1. 3, 1. 3, 1 condition. Then it will give the value j is equal to 1. 1 mod 2, you will get 1. Then it will print 1. Again, the value of j is equal to 2. 2 mod 2, you will get a 0. Then it will print. In the last row, the value of I is equal to 4. But j is starting from 1. Then 1 mod 2, 1, you will get a 1. 2 mod 2 is equal to 0. Then they will print 2. 3 mod 2, you will get 1. That time it will print 1. See, 4 mod 2, you will get 0. That time it will print 2. Like this way, it will work. Do you want to see it again? J is equal to 1. It will represent 1 mod 2 is equal to 1. Okay. J is equal to 2. 2 mod 2. Then you will get a 0. That means 2 mod 2, you will get 0. That time it will print 2. First time it will print 1. If it will get 0, it will print 2. Again, j is equal to 3. 3 mod 2, you will get 1. That time it will print 1 again. J is equal to 4. 4 mod 2, you will get 0. That time it will again print 2. See the representation of the elements. When it will get the odd number, it will print here and here 1. See this one. When it will get even number, it will print 2. That way it will work. I think you have understood this one. Easily we can do like this problems. If you get the logic, you can do the triangle pattern with different elements. Okay? Shall we do? Try to study this type of pattern. You can easily do it in the exams. For the exams, you will get like these questions. Okay?
To get my previous video, please subscribe my channel. Then only you will get the videos. Okay? And if you like this one, please share to others. And if you want to get my next video, you just press on that bell button. Then only you will get the next videos notifications. And if you want to give the comments through comment box, please share your comments through comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. There is a button on the right side. Please press on that right subscribe button. Okay, thank you.